You think you know tactical gear? Think again. We aren't just looking at backpacks and boots today. We've uncovered the 30 most advanced tactical gadgets on the planet. We found a submachine gun that folds into a lunchbox, a medical device that stops bleeding in seconds, and yes, a pocket-sized nano drone used by special forces. Most of this you can buy online right now. Well, let's just say we dug deep. Let's open the armory. The everyday carry. Kickstarting the list is a blade that defies physics. The CRKT Provoke isn't a folder, it's a kinematic wonder. Modeled after a raptor's claw, a simple thumb push morphs the blade out and locks it in place. No springs, no fumbling. It lays flat in your pocket but deploys faster than a switchblade. It's the ultimate don't mess with me tool. Next, ditch the fabric backpack. The Hazard 4 Pillbox is literally armor for your gear. It features a molded hardshell exterior that looks like a turtle shell, or a stormtrooper's kit. It protects cameras and optics from crushing impacts, and won't flap around in the wind on a motorcycle. It is the ultimate urban fortress. Your feet are your transport. The Lowa Z-8S are legendary. Made in Europe, these bridge the gap between a heavy combat boot and a hiking shoe. The mono-wrap frame protects against rope abrasion during rappelling, and the Gore-Tex keeps you dry. Special forces wear these for a reason. Flashlights are outdated. You need a laser. The Acebeam Terminator M1 is a hybrid beast. The left button fires a standard floodlight. The right button, it activates an LEP module, a literal laser beam of white light that punches a hole in the darkness for over a mile. It's rectangular, compact, and absolutely insane. At 26, the gold standard. Crye Precision G4. If you see operators in movies, they're wearing these. Why? The custom stretch fabric. They fit like athletic gear but resist tearing, with dedicated knife and phone pockets that actually keep your gear secure while you run. We need heavy artillery for your hands. The Mechanix M-Pact 3 features a massive one-piece thermoplastic knuckle guard. It acts like a helmet for your hand, absorbing blunt force impact so your bones don't have to. It looks aggressive, it feels like a tank, and it's surprisingly affordable. The essentials: 5.11 Tactical Maverick Battle Belt. Stop threading gear through your pant loops. This is a two-part system. An inner belt holds your pants up, and this outer belt, loaded with your kit, velcros right over it. The Austrialpin Cobra buckle is the strongest clip in the world. Click it once, and it never lets go. At 23, the Thyrm SwitchBack, a simple plastic ring that changes everything. It attaches to your flashlight, allowing you to spin it for deployment or, crucially, keep a two-handed grip on your pistol while still illuminating your target. 22 is the Grayl Geopress. Forget sucking through a straw. You scoop dirty water, press the inner bottle down like a French press, and in 8 seconds, you have purified water. It removes viruses and heavy metals. It requires some muscle to press, but it's the most reliable filter on the market. Next, the Leatherman MUT EOD. Designed for bomb techs, adopted by shooters. It has a bronze carbon scraper that saves you hours of cleaning your rifle, plus a bolt override tool for jamming. It's heavy, industrial, and practically indestructible. Most power banks are boring bricks. The Shargeek Storm 2 is cyberpunk reality. It has a fully transparent chassis so you can see the components, and an IPS screen that acts like a diagnostic computer, showing you real-time voltage and thermals. It's the only charger that looks cool sitting on a desk. High-tech and lethal. The Mantis X10. Ammo is expensive, dry fire is free. This sensor clips to your rail and tracks your barrel movement. It sends data to your phone telling you exactly why you missed. It's a pocket-sized shooting coach. Next up, Blue Force Gear's Micro Trauma Kit. Medical gear is useless if you can't reach it. This pouch mounts on your belt, and with one pull of the tab, the entire medical sled rips out instantly. No zippers, just life-saving gear in seconds. The SureFire X300 Ultra. There's a reason this is on every duty pistol. It pumps out a blinding beam tuned to a yellow-green spectrum that human eyes pick up best under stress. It's bomb-proof and mounts rock solid. The LifePod 20, a portable biometric safe that actually works. It's weather-resistant, holds full-sized gear, and features a built-in tray system. The keypad is backlit for night access, making it perfect for travel security. 15 is the DarkVault. It's a hard case for your chest rig. It protects your phone from impacts, and the friction hinge allows you to use your device as a navigation board right on your chest without holding it. Heavy hitters. Moving on to number 14, the Gerber Downrange. This is a key to the city. It's an axe, a hammer, and a pry bar all in one. The handle is a pry bar, allowing you to pop doors off hinges. Lightweight, but devastating for urban breaching. Up next, at number 13, the Mystery Ranch Blackjack. This is the civilian version of the SOCOM issue Ruck. It's 100 liters of storage on a carbon fiber frame. If you need to carry 80 pounds of gear through hell, this suspension system is the only way to do it. Now let's talk about number 12, the Agilite K19, the most comfortable plate carrier ever made. Period. It uses a V-shaped shoulder strap system that distributes weight evenly. You can wear this for 12 hours straight without fatigue. Israeli designed and battle tested. Next, the Byrna SD, a non-lethal option you can ship to your door. It fires hard kinetic rounds using CO2. The cylinder isn't pierced until you pull the trigger, meaning you can leave it in a drawer for months. And it's always ready to fire. Future tech. Cracking the top 10, the Garmin tactix 7, the watch that does it all. Ballistic calculator, night vision compatibility, and a built-in LED flashlight. Plus, a kill switch to wipe all user data instantly if you're compromised. At number 9, the XSTAT 12. This looks like a syringe, but it's filled with compressed sponges, injected into a gunshot wound, and the sponges expand to stop bleeding in seconds. It seals wounds that tourniquets can't reach. Sliding into the number 8 spot, the MIRA Safety CM8M. A gas mask designed for shooters. The visor is contoured so you can actually get a cheek weld on a rifle stock and use optics. Nuclear, biological, chemical. This stops it all. At number 7, SIONYX Aurora PRO. Night vision used to be green and grainy. This is full-color digital night vision. You can see colors, read signs, and record video in near total darkness. It's a superpower for your eyes. Now we're getting into the serious contenders, the Invisio T30. Hearing protection that lets you hear better. It blocks gunshots but amplifies whispers. It connects to your radio and phone simultaneously and basically turns you into a cyborg. Alright, now for the top 5. The Magpul FDP-9, the folding machine gun. It looks like a battery box, but with one motion it deploys into a 9mm carbine. It's the ultimate gray man defensive tool. Good luck getting one, but we had to show you. Next at number 4, the Wilcox RAPTAR, a sniper's best friend. It's a laser rangefinder and ballistic computer mounted to your rifle. It measures distance and humidity, telling you exactly where to aim. Now we're down to the top 3. The Black Hornet 4. This is a $195,000 nano drone used by the military. It weighs 70 grams, flies silently, and has thermal cameras. It fits in a pocket and gives soldiers an eye in the sky. In the runner-up spot, number 2, the Mawashi UPLIFT, a passive exoskeleton. No batteries. It uses mechanical leverage to transfer the weight of a heavy pack directly to the ground, bypassing your spine. It reduces fatigue by 40%. This is real-life Iron Man tech. And at number 1, the Galvion CORTEX. This turns a helmet into a computer. It links your night vision, data, and power into one system. You can see drone feeds and maps in your heads-up display without looking at a phone. It is the future of infantry combat. Which one would you trust your life with? The illegal drone or the invincible exoskeleton? Let me know in the comments. Check the links below for the gear you can own. Subscribe for more loadouts, and I'll see you in the next one.